Welcome. If you've been using Snapchat for a while, you've probably noticed how Memories keeps backing up your snaps automatically. That's called Smart Backup. And while it can be useful, not everyone wants it running in the background. If you'd prefer more control over what gets saved, I'll show you exactly how to turn it off. Let's get started. First, open up your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main camera screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. Next, in the top right corner, you'll see a small gear icon. Go ahead and tap that to open your settings menu. This is where Snapchat keeps all of its customization options. Now, scroll down through the settings until you find a section labeled Privacy Control. Under that section, look for the option called Memories and tap on it. This is where Snapchat manages how your snaps are stored and backed up. Inside the Memories settings, you'll see a feature called Smart Backup. If it's turned on, Snapchat is automatically saving your snaps in the background, even when your connection isn't perfect. To disable it, simply uncheck or toggle off the Smart Backup option. And that's it.